Well, how do you go about finding a great location? I mean, what is your process? And maybe you just explain that, but what do you look for, and how do you go about it?
Well, one of the things that I would look for is just, I guess the first place I'd go is, how far away as an owner do you want to be from your home? So for me, like I did look at a laundromat. I went and I saw it, and it was an hour away. And when I was driving there, I was thinking, nah, this isn't going to work. Because what if I get a phone call at dinner time? Oh, the coin machine's broken, or there's, this isn't working. How am I going to get there? So for me personally, I'm just looking in a certain radius. And what I'd like to do for me would be to, not have like one here and then one here, and maybe more in a grouping. So you can start to create a small chain. I'm actually looking at one this time with a partner that's about 3.5 miles from my current store. So we'll see what happens with that.
Yeah.